Yo, happy Memorial Day. Guys, we got a big outboard motor here, get ready to go on the lake. And every year before I put my boat in, I always check my gear oil. You're gonna take this bottom plug out, and it's not gonna drip out very fast if you just take the bottom plug out. And all your water and contaminants are gonna settle down there, so you can see if your oil is still good. You can see this oil is still good, nice and blue, not creamy. You never know when you have a small leak letting water into your lower unit. This is the transmission of the boat or whatever. The gears, I don't know much about boats, I just fix them. But now we're gonna pop the top plug off, and almost any boat you need one of these impact screwdrivers. And you just turn it to the left and tap, and it breaks it free. Now with the top bolt out, your bottom is gonna drain a lot easier, well, a lot faster. It's gonna pour out. I had already pre-cracked them free. You look for any metal shavings or anything on your plugs. Make sure your seals on your plugs look good. These ones look great. For a refill, we're gonna use some of this marine gear oil. Check what your boat takes, what it requires. We're gonna use some Lucas because it's good stuff. And most of the time, I go from this bottom plug right here with a nipple on here and squeeze it in there till it comes out the top. See, it's coming out the top. That's how I do it. I'm gonna have to check my book and see if I'm supposed to have the boat lowered or up when I do this. I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be lowered. Let me know, boat guys.